Python is one of the most popular and powerful programming language as of today. People are using Python every day for web development, mobile application development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, and so on. Hi there, my name is Hussein and I'll be your instructor in this course. You don't need to know any Python to get started, as I'll build you from scratch and I'll teach you everything you need to know to start programming in Python. This is a massive course and I have invested more than a year to record this course and I'm still recording. Currently there are 265 lectures. So my intention is to make this course one of the greatest Python course ever. Having said that, I will continue to record and add lectures to this Python course for many years to come. I guarantee you that you're going to have an amazing learning time with me in this course. And by the time you complete this course, you will become a Python guru. So don't waste any more time. Jump right in. Let's begin this Python course. I'll see you inside. Thanks.